Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Diaries with Sam. So today's video is a haul video. Recently I had bought some products from Nykaa Pink Friday sale and some from online. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start off with the Nykaa products. I'm very happy to show this product as my first product. This is the Lal Ishq from MAC. MAC is a brand that I love very much, and Shreya Jain, she's one of my favorite YouTubers and I'm following her from years. I like the way she looks in this kit. She's looking gorgeous. So let's see what's there inside. This kit contains a Fix It Plus Mini and a Ruby Woo lipstick. This is the Prep and Prime Fix It Plus Mini. It is used to prep your face before makeup and also as a fixing spray. This is the lipstick. It's a very nice red shade. Actually, this is what I'm wearing now. I really like the way it has come out. This alone retails for 1,700 and the fixing spray retails for 1,200. But when you buy this festive kit, you get both together for 1,800, which is a very good deal. So if you are a makeup lover, hurry up and grab it soon. This is what I got free from MAC purchase. It's a stroke cream pink light shade. Both the products that I bought from Nykaa was from Nykaa Looks, the luxury store. And the next product that I'm going to show is Laneige. It's a high-end skincare brand from Korea. This is a hydration kit. It contains a cleanser, a hydro essence, a moisture cream, a water sleeping mask and a lip sleeping mask. This is the lip sleeping mask, which is a very famous one that many YouTubers rave about. I recently used it. It was very good. This is the cleanser. This is the hydro essence. This is the water sleeping mask. And this is their moisture cream. Korean skincare is very famous. So if you want to give a try, you can buy like this travel friendly kits. And also I got some free sample size products with this kit. That is a very good deal. It's always good to test and try out whether it matches your skin. So when you get minis like this, if it suits your skin, you can go for the full size products. The whole kit retails for 1,850 rupees. The next product is the Makeup Revolution XO Extra Spice Eyeshadow Palette. It's a very beautiful palette. It has good nude, warm shades. It has also a berry shade and some good shimmers also. If you want to buy a single eyeshadow palette, I would recommend this because it's very good palette. This retails for 1,950, but I got it for 1,460. Next are products from K Beauty. There was an offer going like 15% off. I bought the highlighter and the setting powder. Both retails for 799 rupees. This is the highlighter. It's a very good shade. It matches dusky skin tone very well. It's the shade Champagne Fizz. This is the setting powder. It is very good to set your under eyes after applying concealer. Next is the products that I bought from Sugar. I bought it from online website. Now also the offer is going on. When I was buying, there was an offer going like 50% off. So the first product that I bought is Drop the Base Serum Foundation. It's a very good foundation. Luckily I got my shade. It's 42 Glaze. It comes like this with a dropper. It is very watery in texture and also medium coverage. This retails for 899, but I got it for 450. It is their Suede Secret Matte Lip Color. It's a matte lipstick. The shade is Taffeta Terracotta. It's a good brown nude, but very non-drying and also matte finish. I like the formula very much. It's not like their Smudge Me Not range. This comes for $7.99 but I bought it for $400. The next one is also a lipstick. This is Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in the shade Jackie Brown. In the website you can see very dark brown shade, but no, it's a coral red with brown undertone. This is the shade. No, it's not smudge proof. It's a very creamy in texture. Perfect nude for medium to dusky skin tone. This retails for $8.99 but I got it for $4.50. The next thing I bought is their Contour DeForce Face Palette in the shade Subtle Summit. You get 3 shades in it, one contour shade, one blush and one highlighter. The blush and contour is not that pigmented, but the highlighter is a good one. Also the blush and contour, if you work on it, it's very good. This retails for $7.99 but I got it for $400. This is a primerizer that I got free with this purchase. So that's all for today's video. See you later. Thank you.